Hey everybody, John here. Thanks for watching In the Loop Travel. I am in Austin, Texas. Now this is a new destination for me. I've got 4 days to explore and I'm really excited because so many people I know have been here, told me how cool this place is, unlike any other place throughout the state. Let's go see what kind of fun we can get up to. The Colorado River runs right through the city of Austin, and around it are all sorts of parks and trails where you see people out walking, biking, jogging. So we're gonna go for a jog. Brought my sneakers, so might as well do it. So definitely make your way out to these parks and trails right here along the river. And our hotel even offered, we're staying at the JW Marriott on the other side, offers these little suggested jogging path routes. So maybe at a hotel you're staying in the area has these, ask at the concierge or front desk. It's a pretty cool thing to do around here. Because we're in Texas, you know that I'm going to get some barbecue, and right around the corner from our hotel is one of the best ones in town we hear. It's Cooper's.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
What can I get for you today?
I want a half chicken.
Half chicken barbecue sauce for you?
Yes, please. Austin, of course, like any other city these days, has a nice craft brew scene, and especially right here in the Rainy Street Historic District. Is that really called Rainy Street? Yeah, it's kind of appropriate because I'm getting rained on right now. Let's go in and check out Craft Pride. It looks like a good place to duck out of this. Craft Pride here doesn't have its own restaurant, but it's got all sorts of craft brews on tap. Out in the back patio though, it's got a cool little food truck selling pizza you can bring right into the bar. This is the Texas State Capitol here in Austin. I think it's Italian Renaissance Revival, if I remember. Built in 1888, and at that time it was the 7th largest, tallest building in the world. Thanks, Wikipedia. Let's go and see if we can't have a look around, or if the government's got all its business done for the day. You guys know what this is, don't you? Well, if you don't, this is the Congress Avenue Bridge here in Austin, home of probably the most famous residents of the city, the Austin Bats. They live underneath the bridge, up in the crevices, and around sunset, they come out and head out on their nightly hunt for insects.
Terrifying.
Nature's best insecticide. There's a couple good spots to see the bats. You can see there is a lawn for a viewing area here just at the edge of the parking lot for the Austin American-Statesman newspaper back there. And of course, everyone who has gathered up on the bridge. It's just after 7 o'clock here, so you got to get here early. I think sunset's due in about 15 more minutes, so it's starting to really fill up here. So we chose a spot up here on the bridge. Let's see what this view looks like. Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Thank you.
No problem. I can tell right here. This is the pipe. The wind pipe. Ooh, that's sticky.
So that's something, huh? About 1.5 million of those coming out every night off the bridge. Heading right off down the waterway for their nightly activities. Well, it's fall and that means it's college football. It's game day here in Austin, Texas. And we're going to head into Darrell K. Royal Stadium, see the Longhorns take on TCU. We're going to have fun today. Hi there, we are just wrapping up our 4-day stay here in Austin. I'm just looking at our view from the top of the JW Marriott Hotel where we stayed. I
think about all the things we did, you see we had a lot of activities, fun stuff we were able to do right from here. We're on 2nd Street in this location. This hotel and resort is right near the Congress Avenue Bridge. And we had a lot of fun. But there's so much more I wanted to do, so that'll have to be for next time. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing so you can see all the content that we produce on all our travels. And one last look at the Capitol, and we'll see you next time.